Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing two tools, a GPS spoof app and a VPN. Open Developer Options and set the mock location provider to the spoof app. This lets you inject coordinates. Once done, launch the VPN and choose a server near your target region to reduce latency. Make sure Mobile Legends is fully closed and clear its cache so the game will read the new location cleanly. These steps avoid immediate detection flags and prepare the device for the spoofed session. Now dial in the exact coordinates inside the spoof app. Pick a recognizable city or landmark to match your VPN region. Adjust the movement settings so your virtual location behaves like a real player. Set speed to 0 for stationary play or 15 meters per second for walking to avoid suspicious jumps. Start the fake location service and immediately open a Maps app to confirm the marker is stable. Once verified, keep the VPN connected and proceed to launch Mobile Legends to test the change. Launch Mobile Legends and look for region-specific lobbies, ping changes, or language cues to confirm the fake location took effect. If you experience errors, high ping, or account warnings, immediately stop the spoof, disconnect the VPN, clear the game cache, and reboot the device before trying again. Make sure update intervals are modest. Too frequent GPS jumps are the main giveaway. If problems persist, revert to your real location. Wait a cooldown period, then reapply settings with gentler movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.